this video session. In this session, we are going to discuss about force exerted by jet on moving plates. In the last session, we have discussed force exerted by jet on stationary plates under different cases. So here, we are going to study the force exerted by jet on moving plates. We are dealing with the different cases here. First one is a flat vertical plate moving in the direction of jet and away from jet. Second one, inclined plate moving in the direction of jet. And third one is curved plate moving in the direction of jet or in the horizontal direction. In this session, we are going to deal with the first case, that is force exerted on flat vertical plate which is moving in the direction of jet and away from the jet. So now water will be coming out of the nozzle with a velocity v and it will be hitting the plate. Since the plate is not fixed, so now the plate will move from the initial position to the next position. So that is, it will move with the velocity u to the new position. So now, since the plate is moved, the jet strikes this moving plate with a velocity v minus u, which is nothing but relative velocity. Then jet get deflected by 90 degree and it leaves this flat plate with a velocity equal to v minus u. So this v minus u is nothing but relative velocity. We'll move to the derivation. So let v is equal to velocity of jet, that is nothing but absolute velocity. A is equal to area of cross section of jet, that is equal to pi by 4 d square, and let u is equal to velocity of flat plate. As we discussed earlier, this will be the velocity of jet. Since plate is not fixed, the plate will be also moving with a velocity u. So here the jet strikes this moving plate with a relative velocity that is equal to v minus u, and it leaves the plate with the same relative velocity that is equal to v minus u. So let us derive the equation for force exerted by jet on moving plate in the direction of jet. So that is, as usual, Fx is equal to mass per second into initial velocity minus final velocity. So what is mass per second? So that is equal to rho, that is density, into A, area, into velocity. So velocity is nothing but that is equal to relative velocity, velocity with which the jet strikes the plate. So that is equal to v minus u. So initial velocity is nothing but velocity before striking. You can see that is nothing but equal to v minus u here. So we'll take it as v minus u, v minus u. So minus, what is the final velocity in the x direction? So there is no final velocity after striking the plate in the x direction. So we can put it as 0. So if we solve it, we will get it as rho into A. So v minus u, v minus u. So that is equal to v minus u whole square. So that is equal to force exerted in the direction of jet on moving flat vertical plate. So since here plate is moving, we should also go with the work done per second. In the previous cases, it was the plate was fixed. So here the plate is moving, so you should also go with the work done per second by the jet on plate. So that is calculated by force into velocity of plate. So force, you can take it as Fx into velocity of plate is nothing but u. So Fx we have already derived, so that is equal to rho into A v minus u whole square. So that is rho into A into v minus u whole square. So that is multiplied by u. So that is equal to work done per second by the jet on plate. The unit is Newton meter per second. Thank you.